Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So your check engine light is on, and the code points to the EGR valve. Or maybe you're just curious about what this little device is and where to find it. Well, you've come to the right place. Finding your EGR valve can sometimes feel like a treasure hunt, but it's usually in one of two main spots. First, check around the intake manifold. You might see it bolted directly onto the manifold itself. It's often a small, round, or rectangular component. If it's not there, trace the exhaust system. Look for a metal tube that runs from the exhaust manifold or pipe towards the engine. The EGR valve will often be connected at the end of this tube, near the intake. It's designed to recirculate a small amount of exhaust gas back into the engine to reduce emissions. So, grab a flashlight, pop the hood, and start looking near the intake or follow that pipe from the exhaust. You'll spot it. Hope this helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.